Well, you guys, this is a channel about do-it-yourself business 101, and I throw in some wildlife if I can capture a photo. However, because it's do-it-yourself is a professional wage, and I'm trying to teach money management. You could go out and spend a fortune, but this guy got 1 million views on, the Ford Crown Vic platform. And of course, that's a newer model and prettier than mine. However, mine has 116,000 miles on it. And he goes into explaining that, it's Toyotas and Nissans and all that are like 3 times as much money or something. Maybe not exact. Watch it. The other part is do-it-yourself education. Went to the junkyard. So I spent $38 and pulled a couple sensors out of the transmission like it was a workshop at college. Whether I learned anything or not, I've never done it before, so I will go and try it. Well, guys, I'm at the junkyard. I didn't show you pulling that pan off, but I think my 93 needs the electronic shift module, and I didn't know. I seen some parts. See, I pulled the pan off, and yeah, it's gonna be a mess. But the wires go from there over, and I thought it was the module. But the electronics is over yonder here. So I think it's shifting bad, and I know it's one of them freaking things. But you read the manuals and crap, and they won't give you the right answer. So we'll have to take that filter off. I think you just yank them. And I gotta use 2 hands. I don't know. There she blows. So which one of these modules is the shift module between overdrive and third gear? But I don't know. That's why I go to the junkyard. I like dismantling shit at the junkyard before I try to do it to my own car. It's good practice. Well, I pulled both these modules. I assume this one's for first through third, and this is the one for overdrive. I don't know. I had to borrow the 8mm from some buddies down here. They're nice at the junkyard. Check it out. She likes the heat. Diggity dog. No, it's a wabbit. I just wish I could clean up that storage in the computer. I know I'm gonna have a hard time finding room for this one. Well, we set up the trap, and it might have been sprung. I don't know if we got one. No luck this time. I told you these little suckers are smart, and I don't want to just... And once again, It's for the youth and their parents. In my business plan, I am developing a 501c 3 organization, which is a philanthropy to try and improve our youth who don't have the ability to go to school